Sunshine. So I'm really excited because today we have, well actually let me say that I'm not really excited. I'm excited, but I'm a little nervous because today we're going to be unboxing another female entrepreneur box. This is called She Club Monthly. This box is $39.95 a month, and it is the subscription box for hashtag side hustle entrepreneurs. So I have to admit I am a little nervous because the last side hustle self-growth box that I unboxed was a complete waste of money. It was not anything that I felt like I really would have gained any value from. So I have to say I'm going into this with a little bit of already placed judgment. I'm like, oh, are all boxes kind of gonna not be so great? So this is $39.95 a month. I really hope that there's a lot of like great, useful, fun tools inside of this box. First thing that I'm pulling up, well, not pulling up, the first thing that I'm doing, see when I open this box is all of this. So I'm really excited. So this card says, "Dear beautiful She Club member, sending lots of positive vibes in this box. Enjoy your goodies and don't forget about all of your digital trainings that are waiting for you online. I'll see you there. Cheers to side hustle. With much love, Jessica DeBry, She Club founder." This says, "Welcome to the club. Welcome to the Gal on the Go box. Enjoy your box of goodies plus digital training." This card is literally so cute. On the back, there's a bunch of information about everything inside of this box. I see pink and I see pens. So let's go. So we have a little box that is wrapped in a golden bow with that fun, stretchy golden cord. So I'm gonna send this across the room. Just kidding. That would be bad. And I'm gonna open up this box. We got a watch, guys. Oh, that's something I've never received in a box before. This actually would match so well with my outfit. It says stainless steel back. That's really nice. So we have a watch that's so chic and so cute, and it's actually working. The second thing that I'm pulling out is this super duper cute pen. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get it out to show you guys. So first, I want to show you guys this little crown. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, do I like push it down? You push it down. Oh my gosh, I was like, I hope it's not one of those ones you like uncap and cap back or not unscrew. But no, you push down on the little pearl. Oh my gosh, that is so incredibly cute. I really hope you guys can see this and see how cute it is. So this is the crown, and then on top of the crown there's a little pink pearl, and then out comes the ink. So I have to write on something. I'm going to sign my name on top of the box. So that's my name. I have really, really horrible handwriting. I think we've addressed that before, but this pen writes really nicely, and it's so cute. This, I think, looks like stickers. Oh, look at stickers. Yep, it's stickers. All of these stickers. And then on the back, there's like, it's like a whole pack of stickers. Okay, so we have a bunch of different stickers. How many times can I say stickers in one sentence? That's a good question. I'm going to take this out from the plastic so you guys will be able to read. This is a little gold diamond that said "this week." This is a salmon background with gold, and all of the gold is metallic. So this is a gold metallic diamond with gold metallic writing that says "this week." This is that sticker sheet, and that's really cool. And let me tell you, I have seen plenty of stickers in my life. My mom was a scrapbooker for a good 15 years of my life. I have seen probably thousands, close to hundreds of thousands of different stickers. And then here is a salmon sticker sheet with gold metallic stickers, but the gold metallic is in the words, if that makes sense. The words that are on here are beautiful, life is good, hello, shine, be brave today, pretty memories, life is sweet. That's really fun and exciting for our planners, because every female boss should have a planner. Planning out your day is so incredibly important. Okay, so I think this is a portable charger, so you can plug this into your laptop and plug in your Apple or your Android product. So like, this is a portable charger. It's literally like not a lot of cord. So that'll really like cut back on the amount that you're carrying with you. And it can go in your keychain. I didn't know these existed, and it's absolutely fascinating that they do. And look, it kind of looks like spider or octopus legs just like hanging out, man. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is digital training online boutique guide plus resources. Learn how to start and build an online boutique without holding any inventory or putting capital up front in this 10 module guide. Presented by Garminia Telkrika from CuriousBabe.com. Access this training in the entire She Club training portal at sheclubmonthly.com/digital. So basically this is an e-course. So I literally, like, these things can literally cost thousands and thousands of dollars. So in this box, I got access to an e-course for free. Like, I get access to this just because I was a part of the subscription, and that can not only help, like, basically in this e-course, it will teach me how to basically do drop shipping is what they're describing, like building an online boutique without putting out any upfront money, without actually holding inventory. That's actually called drop shipping. So I just got access to a whole e-course that will introduce me to drop shipping, which is literally so cool because I know e-courses can be thousands and thousands of dollars. This book, it says Lifestyle Blogging Basics, a how-to for investing in yourself, working with brands, and cultivating a community around your blog. Yes, this literally, there is so much that goes into starting a blog, and in all honesty, starting a blog is literally a trial and error process. You got to try some things that you're going to fail at. You're going to learn some things. Like, you're constantly learning, and starting a blog is literally, it can be so incredibly difficult and so incredibly time consuming. So it's really, really nice that I actually got, like, I mean, I've already been through, like, the basics of blogging, but I'm thinking myself as a beginning, like, female entrepreneur. This book has so many more essential tools than the other female entrepreneur box that I unboxed. Like, I really feel like this right here hits home and is actually filled with a lot of useful information. And then last but not least, I have this thingy, and I'm like, oh, it's a tote. I was like, is this the Apron? And it says, she is fearless, determined, and unstoppable. So a nice little inspirational quote on a tote bag for us. It has the handles. I just have them around my wrist at this moment. So let's read everything on the back of the card, because actually everything comes with retail values, so I'm very happy about that. So the pink and rose gold watch. You've got a lot going on, side hustler. You're not just working 9 to 5, you're building your online biz on the side. Do it all in style with this gorgeous rose gold quartz watch with light pink vegan leather band, a $25 value. 2-in-1 keychain charger. Every busy girl needs a gadget to help keep her electronics charged while out and about. Use this gold nylon braided USB data lightning cable to charge and sync your mobile devices. Compatible with both Apple and Android. $8 value. Next thing is the Crown Design ballpoint pen. Use this decorative crown pen to write out your big plans and goals for your business. Perfect to use at work when writing out your to-do list, or to throw into your purse when running errands. A $4 value. Stickers by Craft Smart. These are sure to make planning your daily appointments and activities fun. You can also use them when making notes or your to-do list, and stick them in your notebook and planner. A $2 value. She is Natural cotton tote bag. Created specifically for She Club members, this reusable canvas tote bag is manufactured with 100% cotton fiber and custom printed with an inspirational message to keep you motivated while on the go. A $7 value. Next, we have the Lifestyle Blogging Basics by Lorilynn. Have you ever dreamt of creating a successful blog but feel like you don't have time in your busy schedule or don't know where to start? Oh wait, wrong thing. I meant to pick up the book. In this book, Lorilynn, creator of Breezy and Brazen, breaks it all down in simple, easy-to-follow steps. A $10 value. And then we have the Digital Training Online Boutique Guide and Resources. Learn how to start and build an online boutique without holding any inventory or putting capital upfront in this 10-module guide. Presented by Gramina Talreja from CuriousBabe.com. A $99 value. So, in total, this box is absolutely outstanding. I feel like, the trinkets are really, really nice. I feel like it kind of give you pieces of everything. So that is it for my unboxing of She Club Monthly. I'm very impressed with this box. I'm very happy. I know I kind of went into it with a sour taste in my mouth, but this box actually made a really, really great impression on me, and I'm very impressed with the overall quality and educational quality in this box. What were some of your favorite items in this box? What are some things that you really were happy to see in here? What are some things that you didn't like about the box or that you wish you had seen in here? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.